The Voice of the Martyrs presents The Overcomers.
A 43-year-old Eritrean Christian in prison for his faith in a military confinement center died after authorities denied him medical treatment, bringing to 3 the number of detained Christians known to have died in the country this year. Yemani Kasai Amdom, a member of the Kalihawat Church of Mandafara, had reportedly endured brutal torture since he was detained 18 months ago and was suffering from a severe case of malaria. 2 weeks prior to his death, he had been placed in solitary confinement in an underground cell for his refusal to sign a recantation form. Although the exact contents of the form have not been confirmed, most Christians interpret the signing of the form as a denouncement of their Christian faith. He was reportedly secretly buried in the camp.
For more information on the ministry of the Voice of the Martyrs, please visit our website at persecution.net. That's persecution.net.